Hello friends, welcome to GDS Educational Academy. Here we are going to discuss about the tips to cover whole syllabus in the end of month. CBSE Board Exam 2021. So CBSE 10th Board Exam 2021 tips to cover whole syllabus in the end of month. First of all, check the CBSE class 10th study plans to cover the revise the whole syllabus before the exam. Know to how utilize the last 3 months before the exam judiciously. CBSE Class 10th Board Exam date 2020-21 has been announced by the board. CBSE 10th and 12th Board Exam 2021 will commence from 4th May 2021 and conclude on the 10th June 2021. Now these last 3 months before the exams are crucial for students. They can use these months to prepare well for their upcoming exams and have paved the way for the good score. We are going to discuss here the CBSE class 10th study plan for the upcoming CBSE class 10th board exam 2021. This study plan will give the class 10th student a clear target for the last 3 months before the CBSE board exam. No 3-month plans here to prepare for the exams in an easy and the organized manner. So first of all, learn the untouched topic in Fab. Learn the untouched topic in Fabs. In Fab month, students should concentrate on the finishing the remaining chapters and the topics. They should go through the revised CBSE class 10th syllabus 2020-21 to know the topic prescribed for the board exam 2021. In the revised syllabus, many topics has been removed. Therefore, students should be aware to be the deleted portions of the syllabus that known be tested in the board exam. Prepare all the units mentioned in the syllabus as they are important from the exam point of view. Solve at least 2-3 problems related to each topic you read in the book. Do not miss the examples given in the NCERT books. Now revise the whole syllabus in March. Revise the extremely important to do well in your exams. It not only helps you to remember the facts, definitions, topic, methodologies that you have been learned sometimes ago, but also work the last in the boosting of your confidence level. Go through all the 15 chapters, solve all the exercise questions given in the class 10th NCERT books. Also try to solve the NCERT examiner problem. Be attentive while the solving any questions and take care of the steps involved in a solution. Solving different type of questions will give you take insight into areas that you are good at and other that require more attention during the revision. It's better to focus more on the bigger topics to get good score in your exam. Now last, the practice more and more in April. So this month, this is the month of the strengthening your knowledge. Do not start with the new topic in this last month before the exam. The best thing will be to solve the more and more previous year questions. Prepare of the CBSE class 10th class. Remember the material in the board exam paper will be seen to be more advanced than what you have practiced in the textbook. Solving the old questions paper is the best way to get the familiarized with the such advanced questions. Also solve the last year CBSE class 10th sample papers to acquaint yours with the format and the number of questions the upcoming CBSE class 10th board exam 2021. All you have to do in the April in the April month is to solve previous year's questions papers and the sample papers to assess your preparedness and then increase your confidence for the exam. In last, we suggest all the candidates prepare smartly for the exams. They should use the 3 month very judiciously to prepare their entire syllabus well. So basically this is the tips to cover whole syllabus in the end of month. So please prepare according to that, and very soon I will provide you the important topics with the content also with answers. So please like, share and subscribe my channel and share it also. Thank you so much.